Hey, welcome everyone. It's Edie, your video creation strategist, and I'm back again with another video overview. So this video is going to give you a general summary about video creation products, platforms, tools, services, or software. And today's overview is on a tool called Snackwyze. Now, what is Snackwyze? Snackwyze is a cloud-based tool that helps you create screen-recorded videos, and you guys know how much I love those. But this one has a little bit of a twist. It also allows you to create an interactive HTML walkthrough all at the same time. So this piqued my interest for anybody that's ever needed to do really complex walkthroughs or tutorial videos and there may be too many details that you want to include. Then I think this tool actually might be best for you, because not only are you able to record the video, but at the same time, all of the movements that you're making as you're going through your tutorial video will then be created as an HTML interactive walkthrough for your viewers. So I think that's pretty impressive. Now, the good thing is you don't need to know anything about coding whatsoever in order to use this. And literally everybody and anybody can use it, from sales teams to marketing managers or account managers to support professionals to engineers to teachers. Anyone that needs to explain complex features in a simple manner can actually use this. So this is perfect for you guys. Now, the great thing about this is that it is free, at least for now. It's free. If you need to record up to 15 walkthroughs, and there is a recording limit on there of 5 minutes per recording, but it does give you things like custom color themes. You can upload your own personal logo. You'll be able to embed your walkthrough on websites. And then most importantly, you can export your walkthrough as a PDF. So for any of you who might be the old school paper people, the PDFs might actually be ideal for you. And then finally, you can download your video recording and then install that wherever it is that you need to. Now, they do have a plus version that gives you no limits on the recording, and there are unlimited walkthroughs, as well as you gain access to a customized URL that you can have your projects hosted on. However, I don't know what the price is on that, so I am currently reaching out to Snackwyze to inquire about that. It could be that that's something that's pending and that is not available just yet. So right now we can enjoy the free version for the time being. But this is a great tool, I think, for anybody that has really complicated, in-depth tutorials that they would want to create a sort of companion walkthrough to go along with it. So if you want to learn more and you want to try this out for yourself, click on the link in the description below. Let me know your feedback. I would love to hear what you think about this particular product. And if you find it interesting or not so, please comment below and let me know so that I can determine whether or not I need to focus on creating more content for this product. As always, if you like this video and you found it helpful, please click the like button. If you think that it's going to be helpful to someone that you know, feel free to share this video with them. And also, if you're not already subscribed, feel free to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos like this one as I post them in the future. And until next time, as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.